The Assassin's Creed series features many great games, each with unique settings and characters. Here are some of the best titles to consider. Number one, Assassin's Creed 2. This game is often considered the best in the series. It follows Ezio in Resistance, Italy, all right? Ezio Auditore. So, blending action, exploration, and a rich story, the parkour mechanics and historical settings are top notch. Number two, Assassin's Creed 4 Black Flag. Set during the Golden Age of Piracy, this game combines naval exploration and traditional assassin gameplay. Players can sail the seas, engage in ship battles, and explore tropical islands. Number three, Assassin's Creed Brotherhood. So, continuing Ezio's story, this game introduces the Brotherhood mechanic, allowing players to recruit and train assassins. The multiplayer mode adds extra fun and replayability. Number four, Assassin's Creed Origins. This game takes players to ancient Egypt, featuring an open world environment filled with quests and stunning visuals. The new combat system and RPG elements breathe fresh life into the series. Number five, Assassin's Creed Odyssey. Set in ancient Greece, this title allows players to choose between two characters and features a vast open world. The choice-based gameplay and rich narrative makes it a standout entry. Okay, so these games highlight the series evolution and offer a thrilling experience for fans.